Hello guys, what is up? In this video we are going to show you how to set up and jumpstart using the Sigma bot copy trading on Telegram. So of course you need Telegram for this, for both your mobile device or on your desktop. So after that, just go to Sigma bot. This is the portal. Just look for Sigma bot portal on Google and you will be brought to this. And what you want to do when this is the screen that you have is just type /start, and this is what you're going to see, the small menu here. So of course what you want to do is click on copy trading, because this is the copy trading jumpstart tutorial. So click on that, and here you're going to choose the chain you want to copy. So for example, you have F, do that. As you can see, you don't have a wallet with a balance first, so of course you need to have a wallet that has a balance. So what you want to do is type in wallets, and here you're gonna want to choose either create, do that, right? Wallet is worth 0, so balance 0, as you can see here. After that, I'm going to show a screenshot of what it's going to look like. So here you're going to see amount mode, minimum, and set max amount. So this is going to be the minimum and maximum amount you can spend using Sigma bot for copy trading. W1 means wallet 1. This is your wallet. Copy sell. This is pretty much what you're going to do, or what you're going to click when you sell, Ethereum. So after that, take profits, stop loss. You guys know this. Doesn't need to be explained. And then start copying is pretty much what you're going to tap when you want to start. What you're going to do when you want to start copy trading. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.